Welcome to DIY ELIQUID recipes and to a new flavor review. So today we are going to take a look at the fairly new Yes with Cheesecake. This is a new take on the cheesecake flavor offered this time by Inawera. It seems like they surveyed the market to see what everyone else makes and gave it a try to make something new to stand out. Now starting, I want to say that this flavor is closer in style to the Capella New York cheesecake. What I mean by that is that both flavors give an extra emphasis to the crust and graham cracker profile. Even though the Inawera version has that very strong crust taste, it is not lacking as much on cream. You will taste the cream and in an adequate amount together with some cream cheese icing aftertaste. It will be nicely blended in the graham taste and would pass fairly well as a cheesecake flavor. In a more complex recipe, you might want to help boost the cream part a little, but as is, it is still rich enough to work. Also, this concentrate has a nice acetyl parmesan or biscuit aroma. You will smell it right away when opening the bottle, and it's definitely a nice smell. Now I will move on next to the mixing ratios for Yes with Cheesecake. For a mild solo mix, try it from 2 to 3%, and for a stronger, more flavorful experience, you can go as high as maybe 4 or 5% together with some sweetener, but not any higher than that, since this is a very concentrated flavor and it will start to get bitter and chemical tasting. Now next, this will be the most common ratios to use for an ELIQUID recipe. If you want to use it as a cheesecake base, at around 2 or 3%, it works great for that. Together with some additional flavors, you can create a simple but great tasting recipe. Now, if you would like to add it as a booster to your other recipes, usually 0.5 to 1% will be enough to bring some extra flavor to other pastry recipes. In general, this is pretty strong, and even 30 milligrams of it should last you for a long time. So after that, I will move quickly to show you a recipe I prepared with this flavor. I went for a creamier than normal cheesecake recipe with this one. So here is the ELIQUID. Just at 2%, Yes with Cheesecake will bring enough flavor to this recipe. I combined it with Inawera's Crème Brulee to boost the cream profile and add some extra taste. Again, this one is also at a very low ratio, but enough to do its job in this case. For the fruits, again, we stay at low ratios, with a very potent flavor at forest fruit being helped by TFA's Dragonfruit. Now here, Dragonfruit for sure adds some fruit flavor to the mix, but what it also does is emulsify and blend all these different viscosity flavors together for a richer and also deeper flavor. It makes a difference in this recipe, and I recommend adding it if you have it, even if it looks a little out of place. In any case, this is a nice twist to the regular cheesecake recipes. It will unfortunately require a fairly long steep of at least 1 week, but in the end this will have a great flavor and make for a very pleasant vape. All in all, Yes with Cheesecake is a very well balanced concentrate and definitely worth a try if you're looking for something like this flavor or similar pastries. Also, new flavors from companies that appeal to the market like this one are always welcome. In any case, leave your thoughts about Yes with Cheesecake below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with something new this Wednesday.